Yes, students. Now, question number 7. Why rainwater is slightly acidic? Answer is the gases like sulfur dioxide. This is sulfur. You remove it. The gases like sulfur dioxide, which is SO2, and nitrogen dioxide, which is NO2, are present in the atmosphere, get dissolved in rain and make the rainwater acidic. These gases are produced due to burning of gases or burning of fossil fuels, you can write here. Okay, burning of gases. Which kind of gases? Means burning of fossil fuels. Okay, so children, this answer, why they ask that why rainwater is slightly acidic in nature. So as you know children, when any fossil fuel burns, means from factories, that smoke it is continuously produced from the factories, industries, from the chimney of different factories, and because of the burning of fossil fuel in vehicles also. So there are so many sources from where these kind of gases are released in the atmosphere, just like sulfur dioxide, SO2, and NO2, that is nitrogen dioxide. These two gases are produced by the burning of fossil fuels. So these gases, when come in the atmosphere, when these gases dissolve with the water, they make the rainwater acidic in nature. They make from sulfuric acid from sulfur dioxide, sulfuric acid is formed when they react with water, which is present in the air, and from nitrogen dioxide, nitric acid is formed in the atmosphere. So when these both the acids come along with the rainwater on the earth, that rain becomes acidic in nature. Understand? So because of the presence of these two gases, rainwater is slightly acidic in nature. So that's why it depends on the pollution. Means if pollution is more in any of the area, rain becomes so much acidic, and if pollution is less in any of the area, then rainwater is slightly acidic. So next question is question number 8. Why common salts become sticky during rainy season? As you know children, nowadays if you take out that salt, little bit salt, and leave it in the open room, then what will happen? After some time you will see that water automatically comes into that your salt, and salt becomes sticky. So why this happened? Now let's see answer. Common salt absorb water present in the air, okay, and become sticky during rainy season. So from where this water comes? Water vapors. Nowadays humidity is so much, means water vapors are present in the air in a large amount. So salt has a ability to absorb water vapors readily. So this salt absorbs water from the atmosphere and it becomes sticky during rainy season. So when we talk about winter or that summer, that time air is dried up. Means air has very little amount of water vapors. So that time common salt, if we keep outside, it will not become sticky or it will not becomes wet very soon. Okay, but nowadays in this season salt gets sticky very soon because of the presence of large amount of water vapors in the air. So children, this much you write for today. More question answers are here. So next question answers I'll give you in the next class. Okay, so you write down by the time this much question answers and learn side by side also. You know this chapter is also coming in your test. Okay, so Jai Gurudev.